For anyone interested, we are staying at Salt Rock State Campground here in Connecticut, and we're at site 54. You get water, electricity here, no sewage hookup. We don't need it, we don't want it. There's a bathroom actually right there, and there's a big field as you saw, and it's Monday, Memorial Day, so everyone's pretty much left, so I think we'll have the place to ourselves pretty much for this week, and that'll be nice. So yeah, check it out if you're in the area.
We are Becca and Matt.
And we're full-time travelers working remotely.
We are currently traveling the United States with our 13-foot Burro camper.
And our 2 cats, Grace and Peach.
Right now, we are exploring the Northeast for the summer.
And then heading back west before winter.
Like and subscribe to follow along our journey.
Cheers!
We made it to Connecticut. It's hot, but it's lovely. Look at that green field. Oh, there we go. Oh, there's Grace. Wow, so much you can see with the right lighting. Flies are everywhere though, but it should get cool in the night in the upper 50s, so that's good. Today's in the upper 80s. Tomorrow's supposed to hit 90. That'll be fun, but the rest of the week should be cool. We might even get rain on Wednesday. I don't know why I'm telling you guys the weather. Nobody cares. Let me show you the campsite. All right, this is our little camp setup. It's technically not a drive-through campground, but here we are, pretty much driving through it. Or what's it called? Pull-through campsite. Anyways, here's the campground. Oh, there's my cat wandering away. Our water and electricity is by Peachy. And then over here, we got our picnic table, a very hot camper, another chair, and a fireplace, and another cat. We also got a bunch of free firewood because I guess when people buy them, they leave them, and then the campsite can't resell them. So we got it since we're here for a week. Say yay, Matthew. Yay. All right, let me go find Peachy. Come on. Yes. Good girl. Running away from me. Just like we like it. Found a rock? For anyone interested, we are staying at Salt Rock State Campground here in Connecticut. And we're at site 54. You get water, electricity here, no sewage hookup. We don't need it, we don't want it. There's a bathroom right there, and there's a big field as you saw, and it's Monday, Memorial Day, so everyone's pretty much left, so I think we'll have the place to ourselves pretty much for this week, and that'll be nice. So yeah, check it out if you're in the area. We're in tick country, so biggest paranoia is the cats bringing it in on their fur, because of course they run in and lay in our bed. We got the fan going, trying to keep the flies from going in, but I don't think it's working very well. And we got more firewood. Look at this. This would have cost us like a lot of money. It was $5 a bundle, and I don't think the bundles are more than a couple.
He said he can't resell them after someone's already bought them.
Yeah, you can't Matt just said he can't resell them after someone's already bought them. So these were leftovers from people. From Memorial Weekend. I already said that, but okay. And here we are.
I'm Matt. I'm here to repeat it. Shirtless.
Yep.
Not in my prime form. I usually look better than this, 6-pack.
That's all right. Keeping it real here. Yeah, Matt wants
I got that.
He's really excited about tetherball. Is that what you called it? Tether. tetherball.
Header?
Tether? Right there. And there's a pool here too. I don't know. I'm usually not into the public pools, but if we're only ones here, might have to do it tomorrow. Just took a little shower. It's interesting. I'll have to show you guys later. But what a difference it makes. So again, I feel like we've said this already, but today's Memorial Day. Our last campsite was for the weekend in Pennsylvania, and it was the busiest camping experience we've ever had. Like so many people all using the same bathroom, which is why I didn't show you guys, because it actually was pretty nice bathrooms, but it was seeing so much traffic, and it rained, and it was just dirt everywhere and moisture, and ugh. We were both over it. But funny enough, here the bathrooms are actually older, but it's just it's really how many people they're seeing. That's the issue. Like if it's not a lot of people using it, it stays relatively clean, but if a lot of people use it, not so much. But anyways, so here we're literally like one of 3 people, and it's a pretty big campground, and I mean maybe people will come later in the week, but we're here for a full week, and it's just definitely more my style. Like the crowds, the kids screaming, people driving, making noise, it just kind of takes away from the relaxation and the point of camping, which I get. Not everyone has the time that we do that can go camping whenever, so they all take advantage of a long weekend. But yeah, like today's still a holiday and everyone's gone, so it's just to us. So I'm thinking moving forward, I don't know if July 4th will be crazy, but Labor Day might be another crazy weekend. We might just Airbnb. Like, don't camp a Memorial Day weekend if you can help it, because everyone else is. That's all. Another life hack. So right now I'm just sitting by the fire so the flies leave me alone. I'm freshly washed. I didn't wash my hair, but I just took a quick rinse. I probably should have done my hair, but anyways, and I'm waiting for dinner. It's quesadillas. I'm excited, and I'm enjoying a little cider. All right, that's all. Okay, I'm back. I was just sitting here thinking how hi, Peachy. Oh, Grace is out too. Anyways, I was just sitting here thinking how literally last week it's been raining, and literally multiple times I was like, why are we even doing this? Like, this is annoying, it's not fun. Then the Memorial Day weekend came, it was busy, it was still rainy, and it's just like literally I didn't see any joy in this lifestyle. Not that I would know what to do otherwise. Like, honestly, like, this is literally all I envision myself doing for the next year, but still, it wasn't fun. Like, I've told Matt multiple times, I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. I'm over it. This is stupid. And then we come here. I had slightly nervous because the last 2 campsites were okay, but honestly, it's all about the weather. Like, it's a beautiful, cool-ish, kind of warm night, and we have a fire going, which again, need to do that more because it definitely sets like that camping, you're on a trip mood. And I'm just happy. Like, I'm listening to the birds chirping, the sun is setting, we got groceries, we got internet so I can work tomorrow. No, but anyways, I always heard that this kind of lifestyle comes with some highs and some lows, and I was like, yeah, it does in life, but it really does. Like, you start to question yourself really quickly when things don't go well, especially in such a small camper, and then things turn around and suddenly you're like, I'm the luckiest person in the world. Why would anyone not do this? And then probably in a couple of weeks we'll have another dip, the weather will turn or something, and I'll question it all over again. But it's definitely nice like this. As long as they keep coming, I'm happy. It's definitely worth it. So now I'm done with my rambling, and I better go check where the girls are. Let's go. We got one by the stove. And where's your sister? Oh, under the car. You always gotta check under the vehicles before you panic and run around all over the place. Right, Peachy? Right.
Alright, we just came back inside and we just noticed something on top of the camper that looks a little bit abnormal. I don't know if we'll be able to see it too well. Let me hit a little light. Oh, there we go. That's not normal for a carpet to look like that. These are all flies.
Hello from sunny and hot Connecticut, of all places. We're just enjoying a little snack before I start working. We just checked out the pool. We're literally the only ones here. The other 2 people left this morning, and it's 80s right now. It's gonna be in the hit 90 basically now. So we went and took a dip in the pool. It was okay. I wouldn't lounge in it. You actually couldn't, there were no chairs. But the pollen today is crazy, like it's just everywhere. You can literally see it coming off of the trees. I don't think the camera will pick them up. But the crazy thing is, this evening or afternoon, there'll be some chance for thunderstorms, and then the temperature drops, and tomorrow it'll be a high of 60s, which sounds lovely, but it's gonna be a big drop from today. So that's all, just hanging out. Girls are hot. One's in the camper, one's outside. Just thought I'd catch you up. Today has not been very eventful for filming, but we've just been hanging out, trying to stay cool. I've been working. This has been my setup today. And we got the hammock behind us. We should get some rain here in a few hours. It's already started to cool down a bit, which is nice. Now just the flies are annoying. But soon we'll start our fire. Well, by soon, probably in a few hours. It's only 4 here. But I'm filming. Grace has decided that she wants to drink out of the cap of my water bottle instead of her actual water bottle. Why? But I let her. Good morning from gray-ish, cooler, much cooler day here in Connecticut. Yesterday it was hot and sunny, and today is pretty much the exact opposite. We should get some rain this evening as well, but it's a nice change. It was nice yesterday for a little bit, but it got really hot. So today's another work day. We're just gonna hang out, and they're mowing the field behind us, so yay. If anyone knows me, you know how much I hate the sound of yard work. We're gonna go check out the river here in a little bit, but just check in with you guys. Okay, that's all. It's funny to think that I was worried about taking the girls away from North Carolina, where they had a big house and a yard they could go into pretty much every day, when they get just as much space, if not more, being on the road. They seem to be very happy, and that makes me very happy. Although it does help when we are pretty much the only ones on a campground, because then they can roam a little bit more freely. But they seemed very content. So once again, a reminder that you do not need a very adventurous, trained, even leash-trained cat. You just got to ease them into it and ease yourself into it, and you'd be surprised what your cats might enjoy. So yeah, that's all. Good morning on this rainy Friday. It shouldn't rain for long, and then we have plans to go into New Haven, which is about an hour away. But before that, we are having a lovely breakfast of cinnamon rolls. And you might be asking, how did we do this? We don't have an oven. Well, our little handy ninja foodie is showing us worth. We're keeping it just for this reason. So anyways, enjoy. What do you think, Peachy? Are we silly or what? How is it?
Just like Mama made them.
Homemade? Okay, my turn. Grace likes the cinnamon rolls too. Okay, so this morning, it's pretty much afternoon already. We are going to drive about an hour south and west to New Haven. So where we're at in Connecticut, it's right on the border of Rhode Island. But I've been to New Haven before, but you haven't, and It's a pretty town to walk around. Check out Yale. So we're going to do that now. But first, we need to go find pizza.
Yeah, so we're going to check out this place called Pepe's Pizza. We'll get back to you on the name. But a buddy recommended it, said it was voted the best pizza in America, so we'll be the judge of that.
Dang. That's a pretty high bar. All right. So let's go. It's been raining here, but it should be sunny the rest of the day, and we're excited to get away from the flies. It's still recording.
That's it for this week, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Check back in on Sunday, where we wrap up our week in Connecticut, and we check out New Haven and Providence as well before we head north towards Maine. See you guys in a couple days.